Okay, so we're given velocity, which we know is a rate, which is a derivative in this table for specific different times. And it says find an upper estimate, so that just means the larger, values you're going to use for the total distance traveled using n equals 4 subdivisions. So if you look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4. The table is already set up for you with 4 subdivisions. So an upper estimate is just the larger of the values. So you would take these values, 31 plus 34 plus 38 plus 40. So remember, those are the heights of your rectangles, and you multiply it by the width, which is, well, 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. That's a song. So I think it's times 3. So if you pick your calculator up and you do, I got my calculator, 31 plus 34 plus 38 plus 40, I get 143, and I multiply it by 3, and I get 429. Good job, Cindy. All right, now the next piece here says let n equal 2 subintervals. So this might seem kind of weird, but basically what you're doing is you're throwing away part of the table. So you have to go from 0 to 12, so that's a given. But now you're going to jump to 6 and then to 12. Hopefully that makes sense. Why? 1, 2 subintervals. And so here your velocity, I'm just copying the values in the table, are what, 30, right chair, and then the 6 is 34, right chair, and then the 12 is 40. All right, and so if I'm doing an upper estimate, the larger of the values, I'm going to do 34 plus 40 and multiply by, yes, I'm waiting for you to answer 6, Cindy, 6, because 6. Ooh, yeah, not 6, that's not good. And so 34 plus 40, I think I can do that one without my calculator. That's not a division. And then times 6, so 74 times 6 is 4, 4, 4. Hi, Scouty. Did y'all hear him walking in? His I start to say his tails, his nails. And so then it asks you which is more accurate. Well, you're always going to have more accuracy when you have the more subintervals. Now, one other thing I'd kind of like to show you, because that's just me, I just like kind of showing you things, is go back to, do you even know what you're doing? Do you have a clue what is going on? Yeah, no, I don't either. So what I would do, with all of these, and you don't have to, but it's just a way to see this, is if you go into Desmos, remember Desmos.com is free, and we like free, you could put in these points, 0, 30, 3, 31, 6, 34, 9, 38, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 40. All right, and you're like, but I don't see them. They're there somewhere. They're way up here. There they are. So basically what you're doing, if you really want to know this, is you are still finding area. And that's important that you understand that. You are actually finding these areas, of these rectangles. Don't be laughing at my funky lines. And then if I bring this, all the way down, and again, depends on if I'm doing an upper or lower. Let me, sorry, trying to get that where I could zoom out. All right. And so, that wasn't good, right? And so as I can see here, the 12, let's go back to where I was, that I need to undo this first one because I'm stopping at 12. But that's kind of the whole point. Get the point? You see points? Cindy's got jokes. But that's kind of the whole point, is trying to get you to recognize that this is what you're still doing. It just so happens that these values are your heights, and then, certainly as you can see, the widths are based off on threes. So 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. All right, so it's just kind of good to know that that is still what you're doing. But hope that helps on this homework question.